Durtymax jacks, stage 4 C7C.
Yes, sirs.
So while Matt finishes up that A&A kit and meth on that C6, Eric has his next project. He's doing a heads cam on the C6Z. He's already got the old heads off, lifters all out. Still got to clean up the rest of the block, get the rest of the coolant out. Obviously get the front cover off, get the cam out, swap cam. But on this car, we're actually doing something different. Another option for people, now I'm not going to say what it is yet, but you will see. Well, Eric was a scumbag and sneaked the cam in without me. A real scumbag.
Steve, you could not record one for the next 3 years and just use existing ones and no one would know.
Yeah, but I'm not.
That's what I'm saying.
That's stupid.
But I'm saying, you can't actually, like, that's like watching the same porn every day.
Exactly. Not really.
No one does that.
There's different cars, so different
It's not,
actresses.
it's the same thing.
Actresses.
It's red.
See, I look at it this way. Even though we've all seen it a bunch of times and we've seen enough heads cam C6Zs, the customer has waited this long of time to have his car in.
I get that.
And every customer anticipates seeing their car in the video. So it's less about the viewer seeing the same stuff.
Well, we're just going to start charging $8 if they want their cam shot. Yeah, in the video.
No, because I don't get any of that $8.
So?
Yeah, I know.
I mean, oh, shot full scumbags today, huh? Yeah. Mainly just Steve.
Well, I wanted to have that, and then also because we're doing something different with this one as well.
I mean,
so
Steve is a scumbag, but
of course.
I do my job.
I mean, it's the first
And don't tell Steve about it.
I was gonna say, wait for it. Wait for it. First time for everything.
So want to explain what we're doing differently on this one?
That's not.
The only thing we're doing different on this one is we are not using the AI heads. We were using our new Frankenstein
RPM
series. Yeah, I was looking for the right words to use, but yeah, the RPM series Frankenstein heads.
And they are right over there in that box.
Available on the website.
They are on the website right now. Right now! So yeah, so no, we're not getting rid of AI heads. We're still going to be using them.
I've seen Fran explain online before.
Yeah. They are very, very busy, and we are
very
probably
busy.
their
Only
biggest.
the second option because we saw so many of them.
Exactly. The best way to say it. They're very busy trying to keep up with our demand, let alone doing other people that are trying to order specifically through them.
Oh, get around.
So we did need.
Just fish them around. There you go. Yeah.
So we did need another option just for. Because they're pretty far out and we want to have other options. So nothing against anybody. Frankenstein makes a great head. These are still a stock casting head, just like the AI. Ported, milled, all that good stuff. So there are pictures on the website of these. I will put those up right now. But those are these exact ones I just finished shooting. So it's going to be what we carry in stock. Alright, you ready for these
This will be the
new Frankenstein boys?
side. Yep.
Let's do it. Now we have done some testing already off camera. Let's get a little pan shot here. I can't really share all that information, but we have done some testing. They work very, very well. Quality control stickers. I love the fact that you can see their logo and everything on their retainers.
Oh no.
It's so sick. I tried to get a shot of it. It's kind of hard, but I think I got a decent one.
Too crazy with this. There we go. It's all off. Time to go in the car.
Go ahead. So once again, we are not getting rid of AI or anything. This is just another option. A head milled and ported to our spec, same as AI. That's why the R series Frankenstein is just doing them. So you can order them through us. You can have them on your car installed, or you can do AI. You can do either or. But we definitely noticed the need and want for more options because AI is very, very busy. I mean, we work them to the bones 24/7. So.
This is what I've been dealing with since I got here. You're just too open with it.
Durtymax jacks, stage 4 C7Z.
Yes, sirs. He needs to upgrade to a stage 5.
Oh yeah?
Just quit f***ing around.
Oh, that's a Pro Charger. So if he wants a little bit more sauce,
Then we can give it to him.
yeah. But this should be fun.
It'll be plenty for him.
Yeah, quite a bit more power. Still great drivability.
Yeah, I don't know if he'll really.
I don't think he's going for any crazy number.
Nah. He's not the guy that needs 1,000.
No.
This'll hold him.
For sure. I love the red interior. It's so nice.
Yeah, this color combo. This is what my C7 was. White, black wheels. I had black mirrors and black wing and red interior. Same thing. Carbon dash. I had a 2-roof option on mine.
Yeah, but yours was a Stingray, not a Z06.
Oh, they didn't have a Z06 out then, bro.
No, I'm just
C7 was out for like 3 weeks when I got mine.
base model life.
Yeah, it's the only base model I've ever owned. I owned it for about 4 months, and then
It was nice.
it was cool for what it was, but I think I went like 1050 in it or something. Had headers and nitrous on it.
That's not bad.
No, it was pretty good.
I didn't know you had nitrous on that thing.
Yeah. Yeah, I was trying to be like first in the 10, and I missed it by like a day. I went to Cecil, and the 7-speed's a little different than shifting like a 6-speed. So it like took me a while to like learn how to like hit 3rd gear like good. And someone else went 10s before I could. Like they were first in the 10s, and then I think the next day I went like 1060 or something like that.
Day late, dollar short.
That is what it is.
Frankie's crying.
There you go.
Because she's at home.
I hear your dyno pulse from there.
Yeah, probably, with this thing.
Pretty good. How much you was at? 60% or something?
They're like 59, I think.
I'll round up to 60.
59.6.
That's 60.
It's 59.6.
Yeah, above 0.5 rounds up. Everybody knows that.
Okay.
So, now a little training to do?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll do some of that.
Thankfully, he's already got a good tire on here. He's got an R888. Actually, for the power, that's pretty good for that tire. We've seen that thing eat up some power. So
Yeah, it is.
stiff, loud,
They are loud.
super loud.
They're definitely loud. It's one of the loudest dyno tires there is.
Yeah. Everybody thinks it's the blower or the dyno itself.
It's the tire.
It's the tire on the roller. Have you ever been next to a
Big truck driving down the highway, or big like mud tires on it, yeah.
screaming? Shut up. Thank you. Listen to me. Someone around here does.
Yeah, it was gonna shut off anyway, so.
Have this one.
Okay.
Heads cam, C6Z.
Nah.
Cam heads.
Yeah.
Okay, sick. So this is one we did our new Monster RPM heads on.
They're not, that is not what they are.
They're stock heads, ported by
Frankenstein.
Say Monster.
Yeah.
Let's redo that.
And we can just keep the whole thing in there.
You know why I say Monster?
Because the Monster series
Yes.
are their M311s
Yes,
or whatever, yeah.
That's exactly why. And they're green, just like the Monster clutches, and
Like Monster Energy drinks.
Monster Energy drink. Yeah. Frankenstein heads. Our RPM Frankenstein heads that you can purchase through us. Whatever, man. I'll put in a Monster for you. Energy drink, not a clutch.
Yeah, yeah.
I have a hard time trying to explain this. The new heads. We're not getting rid of AI. We're going to be using both. We just needed an alternative, another option for both, so we can keep up with the demand.
Correct.
There's no better. There's no worse.
We sell so many packages, one guy couldn't keep up.
Yeah. So
Now we have two. We tested them.
already, yes.
Yeah.
We didn't show you.
We
guys.
needed to make sure that they were up to par before we sold them as ours.
Correct. And they are.
And they are. We tested them on two different cars,
Yep.
which you guys didn't know about.
Correct. And you wouldn't have known about because there's no difference.
Yeah.
They made the same.
We made the same power.
Yep. Which is hard to do because we've tried other heads in the past. We've had customers' cars with heads cam, and their heads are not up to par. So
Yes.
to
And we
find
made sure these were up to par before.
exactly, to find a company that can live up to our standards, make the power we make on our packages, it had to do what we wanted it to. So
That is correct.
now this doesn't have memo MSD or throttle bot or anything, so it's just the stage 3 trace. Yep, I knew that was coming. So typically stage 3 we usually see right around 600, sometimes slightly over. So I fully expect this to be 600-ish.
611.
Yeah?
That's my guess.
I'm saying 605. But we'll see.
Not bad. About what it should make?
Yep.
I think the Corsa sounds good.
It's a little loud for my... At idle I like it because it's like almost choppier.
It just sounds sick, yeah.
It does, but like at wide open
I
throttle...
wish Corsa made one with valves for a C6. It'd be no, not for a C6 they don't. It'd be the best selling one that they make, by far. C7 they do.
And the 6th gen.
Yes.
Well, maybe they're working on it.
Hopefully, because it'd be f***ing sick. 'Cause then I would buy a Corsa. Well, I don't have a car anymore, but if I did, because I love the way Corsa sounds. It's just too loud, like all the time. I can't have it loud all the time. Plus, these tips look good. They're big guys.
Yeah, I like the black tips.
Whatever. I just like these because they're big. They fill out the bumper. Normal tips are like 3.5. These are 4.5. Like mine on my ZR1 were on the with the hooker exhaust.
Yours weren't that big, were they?
Yeah.
I just like.
That's the main reason I love them. They fill out the bumper. The stock exhaust looks like little fucking dick beaters. Pea shooters, dick beaters, whatever. It like just looks dumb. It looks like a big open space. So when you put like an exhaust in there, it looks good. It looks good.